Okay, guys, let's take a little look at the gold market and see where we are. Is it time to get in the trade? Is it time to short it or get out of it with a nice profit? Let's take a little look here on the daily chart. Doing this Friday lunchtime. Pro Trading System had a nice buy signal on the 2nd of Jan. We pushed up really nicely from there, hitting first profit target here. Now, we're just stalling a little bit on Friday. We got this band of resistance across here. Okay, so we're just having a little bit of a pullback. It's still green on the Pro Trading System. It's still long. Momentum is up. Nice buy signal, nice stop, nice profit targets. Next profit target 2774 on the gold market. So let's see if we can get up there. I think we're due a little bit of a pullback because we're coming into this resistance zone. So let's see where we go on Friday. I think the 4-hour chart, bit of a shorter time frame, of course, than the daily time frame. We've had a nice buy signal down at that 2671. Nice stop, nice risk reward. 2 to 1 on the first profit target, 2 to 5 on the first profit target here. Now we got this shooting star candlestick right at the top. Now for me, a shooting star or a hammer, which are very similar candlestick patterns, they do indicate a reversal could be happening. A shooting star would be at the top of a trend. A hammer would be at the low of a trend. Or the low, not a trend, a low of a move down. Then we're looking for that hammer reversal. Basically, a shooting star is that it's a long wick here, okay? And then what we've got the body that's really low down at that wick, the bottom 25% of that wick. Now, what that means is that this is a very bearish shooting star because it closed lower than what it opened, okay, and you often see a reversal from that. But with the PTS still green, it overrides that shooting star. Now what I would do if you're long this market on this buy signal here, I'd obviously turn on the trading stop feature and lock in those profits, okay? But until it turns red, I'm not getting out the trade. Now you could of course bank half of your profits. Well, you got a decent profit here at 2700. You can bank profits, half profits here, and trail the rest of that stop, okay, which is fine. Lock in. When you see a shooting star, there's often a reversal. It's probably only one of the candlesticks I do take into consideration along with the hammer at the lows. All right. So at the moment it's green, and I've just got to stay in. Once it's if it turns red, then I'll get out the trade. But while it's green, I'm still long and bullish. To go back to the daily time frame here of gold, we could easily break out of this area here and get up to 2774. That is the daily target on gold. So a really easy, simple trade. Profit targets being met here nicely. We're still green. Nothing to do but trail the stop on gold. If we turn back to red, I will exit that, guys, and possibly look for something else, but I'll update you on that when gold and when it does turn red, okay, if it does. So at the moment, very, very bullish on gold as it continues to climb. Let's see how it closes today, and then let's see how we get on with the next color candlestick. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, updating you on these markets, goals, and other major markets in the world of trading. Keep it really simple. You keep it simple, and then the stress is much less, and you can make some very easy, simple trading decisions. Okay, so hope it helps, and I'll speak to you soon.